Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to work on these little mermaid molds. I did get them from Beebeecraft, and I will have the Beebeecraft homepage and a link to this kit. It was a larger kit. I'll have all that linked in the description box. It's part of the YouTube program, and if you're interested in that, also I have a link to the YouTube program, and that is 100 subscribers with engagement on your channel. And you fill that out and you guys determine if you guys are a good fit for each other, and Beebeecraft will then send you product for you to use on your channel. And so there's that. I like Beebeecraft products. I did pour these in white, and here they are. Aren't they pretty? And I blinged them up. I plan on doing the same thing with these, but I want to use different colors, and I want to use black resin. So I will probably speed through using these chrome powders. They're just nail art chrome powders. I will have a description for these as well. I believe these are chrome and these are interference. So I will probably speed through the process of that. And then once I get that done, I will mix up my resin and be right back for the pour. I'll see you shortly. Okay, I have just about an ounce and a half of resin here. I'm going to add some black pigment. Mix that up. I want it opaque, so I'm going to mix this up really good. And I'm using the black from Little Windows, littlewindows.com. So let me see what we got here. Hopefully I have enough mixed up. I either don't mix up enough or I mix up way too much. So let's see this one. Looks like I have enough. I will be blinging these out as well. I do want to dome them. I will be turning my heat mat on. Probably not for the first half hour. I do want the bubbles, if there are any bubbles, I want them to be able to rise to the surface. I did heat my resin up, part A up, in a warm water bath. What that means is I placed my bottle of part A into a warm, not hot, just a warm, use tap water, and let it sit for about 20 minutes to warm up, because my craft room gets really cold. And resin works better when it's got a finer viscosity. So I'm going to hit that with a little bit of 99% isopropyl alcohol, just to pop any bubbles. And then I will be back for demold. I'll see you shortly. Okay, these are cured, and we will start with the small one. I did have it on my heat mat, so we'll see how they turned out. Be careful with them. I don't want them. That looks so pretty. That showed up a lot better on the black. I'll show you the white in a minute. Here's this one. It's a little bendy still, but it's okay. Oops. Ooh, look at that. I like it. Let me show you the white ones. So you can see some of the color come through on that. Not like that. Let's see this one. So you can see the hint of that. But I'm going to bling these up and I'll show you what I'm using. I have them in here. Let's see. I want to use these ones. These ones. I'm going to use this one on this one. And yeah, these ones. So yeah, I'm going to use this on these. This blue-green one on this one. So I'm going to do this with some liquid fusion. And then once I get these on and they have a chance to dry a little bit, we will, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So let me get this on and I'll be right back. These are done. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit because I realized I was zoomed in a lot when I was showing these. But these, I'll move these out of the way real quick. These are the little, if you want to call them rhinestones that I used. They come in little containers like this. And this all come from one pack from Michael's. I just put them in these little things here. So, but I used this one and this one. So just wanted to give you a little bit clearer look at that. So here are the two that I had just done. Now I'm going to bring you back in. Doesn't that look pretty? That's the black, and that's using the gems are still wet, the rhinestones. And that's using the white. So yeah, so I really like this mold. I want to make a tray, and I'll show you, and have the mermaid tail sitting up, something like that, in the tray like that. I haven't decided yet, but this is the white one, and with the black mica. Isn't that pretty? I just think they turned out so pretty. So if you're interested in this mold, I will have a link in the description box for it. I'll have a link. I'll try and see if I can get a link to some of these little rhinestones, but you can find them at the local hobby store. So let me know what you think. Do you like the with the black, or do you like it with the white, or do you like them both? I like them both. They both have their they both serve a purpose, in my opinion. So there it is. So I'd like to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you. You all have a great day and God bless. Bye.